we're just finishing a wonderful seaplane adventure. We rendezvoused at Polson for the weekend on the seaplane ramp, August 13, and spent the day on Saturday, August 14, up to Lake Mary Ronan.
You're clear, go for it.
Okay, gear up, Jay.
Okay.
2,000 turns. Lap 30. Probably going to want to go to the right of the boat. Nope, he's turning hard right. Give me an airspeed. 55. Got another boat. 60. 65. 70. 75. Power reduction. In a second. Nice. Awesome. That worked out cool. Lake Mary Ronan, which was a gorgeous lake surrounded by gorgeous scenery. We had 4 gooses, one from Tennessee, Mike Rinker, Doug DeBreeze from Seattle, Larry Tufel from Portland, our goose, and a mallard from Sandpoint with the Fennec family. And we're hosted by the lodge up there with a wonderful lunch. And did some photo work. return to Polson and we're crawling our way home.